Bitch, that shit was cold, like to the extreme. Extreme like ECW fucking wrestling. Who the fuck in their right mind likes wrestling? Not me.
Not me either.
I am the coolest motherfucker in the whole wide world. Not me.
Not me either.
Not me.
We are the coolest motherfuckers in the world.
Sometimes we walk down the street and bitches are like, hey, I want to fuck you.
Or let me suck your dick, a little bit the tip. Or let me swallow the entire load on this road.
All over her lips,
all on my lips,
both sets of hers. Yeah, because we had sex with her.
Take it in your face, I'm coming in your eye, here I come.
And if you're dumb, you might let us put it in your bum. Shitty dick. I got a turd on my bird. That's the word. 'Cause yeah, butt sex is wild, and it ain't gonna cause no child.
Don't care if there is shit on me, as long as we can reproduce, that's all I need.
I don't want no bastards coming up to my place being all like, give me some money because we got identical face.
I'm too good to give you money.
Fuck you, bitch.
I'm too good to give you honey.
But I gave it to your mom with just the tip all up on her lips. Ooh. Then I went to Denny's and I ate some grits.
I wear sunglasses all of the time
because I am the Unabomber, motherfucker.
I am too cool for you to see my eyes.
One day I had consensual sex with a mime. The bitch pretended she was in a glass box as I was inside her box.